Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to do text rotation in your Google Sheet. So what we're going to do is we're going to have our text already written out, and there's two ways of doing this. So I usually will use this little shortcut menu for anything because that's the fastest way to do it, but you can also always go and look in your main menu. So to find text rotation, you would go up to format and you would go down to rotation, and then there are your options. But for this, I'm going to use the little bar up here. So we have our text written out. Up near the horizontal alignment, you can go to text rotation. It's an A with a little arrow. And here are your options. You have none, a tilt up, a tilt down, stack vertical, stack or rotate up, and then rotate down. And then you can also pick any type of angle you want to rotate it at. So you have all those options. So let's do tilting up, tilting down, stack vertically, rotate up, and rotate down. And that is how you use the text rotation in Google Sheets. If you found this video to be helpful, check out my other videos. You might find those to be helpful as well. Bye.